today's video is going to be a hair review, you guys. I am super excited to be reviewing this hair company, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump right into this video. But before we get into this video, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Jillian J. Beal. You can subscribe to my channel if you like the video so far, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this joint. Basically, the company, I got my wig. It is a wig. I got it from ISEE. So you guys, I'm just excited to review the wig and everything because I've been hearing a lot about ISEE hair. Actually, Little Durk's girlfriend, she did a review on ISEE hair. It was a wig. This is a wig too. So I'm just super excited to see the quality of the hair and everything. So yeah, I will be installing it after this. If y'all wondering why the girl got on, you know, a hat, the girl finna do an install. But yeah, you guys. So anyway, let's just get into the wig. This is a 10-inch 150 density Malaysian hair wig. I have not really got into the whole box because I was just super excited. I'm just like, let me do a review on this. So it came in a FedEx package, and this is how the box looked. On the back it says body wave straight curly, the phone number and all that stuff. So I'm basically going to be opening this on here on YouTube because I have not opened it, like I said. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So when you open it, it says ISEE AliExpress. This is their Instagram, all of that stuff, coupons, and yeah, it comes packaged like this. It says 10-inch straight Malaysian 150, all the information you need for whatever wig you got. And in the inside, they give you some 3D mink lashes. These lashes look cool because, you know, usually when you're ordering from AliExpress, I haven't really ordered from them in a minute. I did a review on Ali Grace hair. That was like my recent, you know, status with ordering off of AliExpress. They usually leave like the little bogus eyelashes, but these look cool. So they give you some little eyelashes. It's an ISEE pamphlet. Let me see what's in the pamphlet, y'all. Oh, so they just basically tell you how to become a member, I guess to promote their hair and stuff. So ISEE, if y'all see me, the girl is promoting for you. Okay, so yeah, that's what's in this little pamphlet. Oh, and they give you a free wig cap. Wig cap. But I just bought my own wig cap because I don't like these wig caps. They tear too easy. So yeah, that's basically that. And this is the box. I already showed you all about. But let's get into the wig. Let's get into the real tea. So I'm just excited, y'all. This is a little 10-inch. It's gonna be cut into a blunt cut. I'm about to style it and everything. So I'm super excited. Comes with a net. Okay, obviously. No. Alright. And this is the hair, actually. The hair actually feels, I think, oh, I didn't drop anything. I thought I dropped something. The hair feels actually really good. Like, I actually really like the hair. This is nice. On the inside, it comes with your combs. Hope you all can see that. 2 combs on the side and the bottom. And you also get an adjustable strap, which I love because, you know, you want your wig to fit super tight and super nice. Well, not super tight, but snug. So this is a nice wig. So far, so good. I love this. So we finna install this because I know y'all like, we want to see it on your head. So we finna install this. So I will be right back, you guys, to show you guys the final look because the girl's looking rough. She got her prison braids. Too much for the camera. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and install this, you guys, and I will be right back. So see you in, I don't know, an hour. Be back.
2,000 years later.
Alrighty, you guys, so this is the finishing result of the hair. And again, this is a 150 density 10-inch bob wig from ISEE Hair. And I could say overall I like the hair. I think I messed my cut up. I'm gonna fix it, so don't try to clock me on the cut. Don't try to clock the girl. But yeah, overall the hair is nice hair, soft hair. Would I recommend people shopping with ISEE Hair? Yes, I would. I think everyone should try it out. I mean, I like the hair. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not stiff. It doesn't tangle. You know, so I would recommend this company. And yeah, you guys, so go check out ISEE Hair. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the girl. I need y'all support. I need y'all to inspire me to keep going with YouTube, because I do post every once in a blue, and I just want to post more. So if I can get more supporters, I'll be posting more. So thank you guys for watching, like I said, and we out. Peace until next time.